Akoko kaiyarito keside diku tuoto mana ringi Nako South Karamoja nedi Moderator district anangulo na bilatuk na kapiripirit nepe kamudat.
The insecurity is increasing, especially in the southern part of Karamoja. The raids have really happened. So far, Amuda district has lost people, leaders, and also the young boys.
There was conflict in the grazing area, and the Pokot abducted 2 boys. When the UPDF went to intervene, they found that they already killed them. He has brought now the number of boys shepherds killed in Lokilotoro in that vicinal grazing area to 6 boys. And these are Pian boys that have been killed.
Nabilatu raids Napak. Nabilatu even themselves raid their own sub-county of Lorengedwat. They raid Kakomole, which is just less than 12 kilometers away from them. They raid Teso, they raid Pokot, they raid Kwen, they raid Bulambuli.
Leaders are part of the raid. They are part of the proceeds of the raid. They bring cows, they keep quiet. They come and pick from them, they make noise.
Need not to blame the leaders, but what I am requesting my fellow leaders is that let us be open. Let us come out clearly and we speak to our people. I've had a peace meeting since we were sworn in. We moved all the districts talking to our people. But something which pits me or which makes me to be very annoyed is that why is it that after the meeting in the night they are raids?
Ido tomano Moroto district Akoko nyeside diku no inepeka idingeta kidingate kirena ada imathe niko liboete kwapune moru nepeka tepeth luda iboito kujunaka Mount Moroto.
All escalation was brought about by the raids on the tepeth of Kapaj by the Mateniko, which amounted to 15 raids. And in the efforts to track the animals and recover, the recoveries were not successful, although the tracking was done. And I think this prompted the Teped to launch 2 attacks on the Mateniko.
So we have the Teped which are up the mountain, the Teped which are up the mountain, come down and also raid the Madeniko which are down, which is Madeniko County, but all of them, they are within Moroto district. And then the Madeniko also climb the mountain and also raid the Tepeth. So that's now the only problem that we are facing in Moroto district, because these are all people from within.
La yuara kizda poti tigogo ngotono bakas da bonebe Akoko na nyeskwa ne raine utaibe otoma na tekirin.
Security forces, for us, our work is to talk to them. We shall not get tired to talk to them such that they are able to open up and give us a proper information. That is our work as leaders. Of course, the tension between the Tepeth and the Madeniko, our surveillance teams, the crime intelligence teams are on the ground to establish what is bringing this tension between the Madeniko and the Tepeth. Because this Tepeth even mixed with the Pokot. Some Pokots are also there when they come to raid. And it is the same tension which is between the Pokot and the Pian of Nabilatu, of Nakapiripiri. The same. It is revenge raids. So our team is already on ground, and soon they will give us a report in that matter.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Karamoja.